Hey, this is Mark with Living Water, and we're right here in downtown Las Vegas. We're making the Las Vegas downtown area beautiful again. So I just wanted to showcase this beautiful yard that we're taking out all the grass. We're digging it down to the bare dirt, and we're gonna make a beautiful water smart landscape. We are water smart contractors here in Las Vegas, so if you need your grass removed and you need your Xeriscape put in, right now the SNWA is giving you a $5 per square foot rebate, which is a ton of money if you have a ton of grass. So just think about it. If you have 1,000 square feet of grass in your yard and you want to convert it to Xeriscape, it's 5,000 bucks. All right, so this one right here, what we're doing is we're digging out all the Bermuda grass right here. We're getting it down to the dirt so that the root system is being ripped up as well. We're dumping the grass in this dumpster over here. All this grading is going to be brand new when we're done. Well, we're going to take out this concrete walkway, and we're going to take out these concrete brick edging thingies here. And then we're going to replace this with a flagstone pathway going to the front door. We're going to be using boulders, and we're going to use some Apache brown and some buckskin colored flagstone, and just some basic planting, Southwest plants and trees. It's going to come out beautiful. So thanks for checking this out. Like us, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.